I've just been running along the River Thames, along the Saxon Shoreway out of Gravesend, and we'll see how far I can get, and hopefully there'll be some interesting things to see along the way. Just up ahead, I already see some ruins coming into view. So this is actually Shoremead Fort, and I'm walking along the top of the casements, or essentially the walls that you put the guns behind. And that's pretty much all that's left of this fort that was built in the 1850s, at a time when the relationship between France and England was much more hostile. It was put to use for almost 100 years, guarding the Thames here through the World Wars. Okay, Cliff Fort coming up. And this one was built as well in the mid 1800s and refurbished for World War I and II, protecting the Thames. It is also in ruins and mostly inaccessible. Completely flooded inside. My understanding of the history is building it in this marshy area was always a problem for them. Pretty neat spot to explore. Okay, now this is a Brennan style torpedo launcher. Wow, pretty neat. Basically, you don't want to attack the British up the Thames. Probably my last stop today is to the explosive works in the fields there to my right. The reason they're laid out in such a symmetrical pattern is there used to be tram lines in between the buildings. Basically factories for making explosives. Now each one of them is falling apart, each in its own unique way. I was hoping to get a closer look, but it looks like there's this moat separating me, and I just really don't want to go for a swim right now.